Hello everyone. So this is going to be the 12th lecture of the series Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-Learn, Keras and TensorFlow. So today we are going to actually handling the categorical values. So what is the meaning of categorical values? We'll be seeing that thing. So first of all thing is that if you are continuing this machine learning journey and if you are new here, then I will suggest you to watch the previous videos so that you will have a better understanding. So link will be in the description. Just go and watch the previous videos. And One thing is that please watch till the end because the consistency matters a lot. If you'll be consistent throughout the video and throughout the whole series, then you'll be able to learn the core machine learning. So that is quite important. Yes, I'm stressing it a lot because many people just quit in between and they actually face the consequences of that they are not able to complete the things. So please be till the end, and at the end there is something interesting for you. So yeah, please continue this lecture, and yes, if you will like it, then please hit the like button, and please comment anything that you find useful or like any doubt you have. So please comment below, I'll be answering you. So today we are going to actually see that handling text and categorical attributes. So what is the meaning of handling text? So like in the previous video, we have seen that we are working on the numbers. So if you'll watch the previous video, then there were a whole lot of numbers. So like we have done some correlation on the numbers. But what about how to handle the categorical value, like text value? So in the simple terms, how to handle the text value? So just see this thing, see this data, like the data is here, the housing data is here. You can see here the old everything is a number, but the ocean proximity is only column that have uh, the textual value. So what how and like what should we do to interpret this thing? So for machine, if you know that for machine, it is quite easy to access the numbers and do computation on numbers than text. So what we'll be doing that for this purpose, we'll be actually converting the into text into text into numbers, and then we'll be able to do some more calculation and more processing. So what we'll be doing, we'll be just printing that like we'll be seeing that house category, uh, housing cat, and then we'll be printing the head it. Okay, like we are printing the eight rows, 8 rows of the column. Okay, like here it is. So now what we'll be doing that there are actually like changing the text or changing the text into number, like it have the two ways. We'll be seeing two ways. First way is the ordinal encoder. So what we'll be doing, we'll be just writing it one ordinal ordinal encoding. Okay. So we are first using ordinal encoding. So the code will be given there. So you can just go in the description. You can just use it. And now you can see here like that it have included the value. So I want you to have the look here. Like the 1H ocean is there at the first. And at the first there is an nearby. And nearby is at the end also. So just think that 3 and 3 is there. So I hope that you got the value that nearby is actually decided by the 3. So that is the actually the ordinal thing. And you can also see the category at how many categories are there. Okay. And then after that, this was the ordinal thing. Now it has one issue. We'll be seeing that issue. Like just okay. So what is the issue with the ordinal encoder? Just see this thing. Like ML algorithm will assume that two nearby values are more similar then two distant values. So that is the one issue with the ordinal encoder. So what we'll be doing, we'll be using another encoder, and that is called one hot encoder. Yeah, it is one hot encoder. So you can just use it, one hot encoder. Okay. So what we'll be doing, we'll be just running the code. I have copied and pasted this code here. So you can just see that, you can see here. Okay, so this is array actually. Okay, so let me print the this thing. Okay, okay. So actually this is in array. In the array format it is showing. So now you can see the categories also, like similar categories will be there. Then what we'll be doing, what we will be doing actually, that we are seeing this thing, that how the one hot encoding is to be done. I hope you got the idea about the ordinal encoding. That ordinal encoding is actually like a 1, 2, 3, 4 value you are just giving to the different type of variables, or you can say the values. So now one hot encoding is something like that. If you want to tell that this is 1H ocean, means there will be in the calling of 1H ocean, there will be 1, and another there will be 0. So that is how one hot encoding is done. So you, like nearby bay, um, there will be 1 in the nearby bay. So that is how it is made. And like each category becomes a new binary attribute in the dataset, and this is the way, that is the way. So why we need two representation of the things. So first thing, that just see the representation, each category is represented by the binary attribute, but it is actually the unique numerical values. Okay. And like one hot encoding does, like it preserves all information about the categories, but ordinal encoding actually loses the information. Now in this you can say that model flexibility, it is quite you can see here, treat categories as independent. Now you can also handling, like you can handle the unknown categories gracefully. That's why one hot encoding is quite important. And it also avoids the misinterpretation of ordinal relationship, and can improve the model by the capturing. Okay. And complex relation between the capturing complex relation between the categories, and can handle new categories gracefully. This was the whole thing about the one hot encoding and the ordinal encoding. So if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comments. And this was the whole thing I have shown you in the, like in a very quick way, because I have already copied and pasted the codes. So you can also go through it. And this was the whole thing about the one hot encoding and ordinal encoder. So I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, then please leave a comment and hit the like button. Thank you so much. Subscribe the channel. Meet you in the next video um, with another lecture.